here we are, where we left off from part 1. So yeah, part 2, in session. Outside here, we have a Simplex 4903 with the strobe on top. Yeah, the pool, yeah, we're not gonna go in there because, yeah. But they have Simplex 4903s, like sideways mount and what's it called, mount like this. So yeah, which side should we go on first? West or east? Screw it, we're gonna do this one. We're gonna do this side. I think I might have stayed in this one before in the past. This one looks like it has 5 floors. Jeez. Anyways. There's no fire alarms over there. Anyway, starting off here with a very weathered Simplex 4903 up the roof there. Man, these alarms are just old here. I mean, I love them. There's nothing wrong with like Simplex alarms, but it's just that they're a bit outdated in a way. Don't get me wrong. I mean, in my opinion, I think that Simplex 4903s are the superior alarm. Like, there's literally nothing wrong with them. Hey, look here, you have a way better condition 4903. It's cool. Condition 4903. There's lots of 4903s at this park. Where are they?
Hey, how's it going?
Yay.
Nice. We got a Simplex T-bar as well. Excuse me. And there's another Simplex 4903 up there. Going on to the second floor now. Up here, we have a, excuse me, Simplex 4903 up top mount edition, but it's not a ceiling mount. Like, it's not like a wall mount unlike the others. We've got another 4903 up there, a little bit weathered. This has a lot of Simplex alarms, this one. Probably do the third lodge as well, just because there's a lot of alarms. There's another 4903 with a strange strobe mount job, and also a Simplex T-bar. Hold on, just a moment. Hey, Dad. Anyways, that's the third floor. Whoa, almost dropped. That would have been a terrible ending if I had fallen. Yeah, would have been a terrible, terrible. Got a T-bar right there, a Simplex T-bar. We got a 4903 up there. Here I got scorching his feet. Hey, it's a ceiling mount version. That's new. Rather new. Probably replace the battered Wheelock 7002. Speaking of which, I wonder if that's still here. Or if it's already been replaced. Ooh, The strobe on that Simplex alarm, man, that's a fire alarm fail waiting to happen. I'll just quickly get a picture of it. Let me pause the video. All right. Now, here we have another Simplex T-bar. Man, just confused of why none of the other fire alarms are like that. I can hear my dad coming. I'll just wait for him. Then we'll continue on the tour. Oh, someone's coming. Never mind. Over here. Now, these stairs. Don't want to fall again, 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 don't want to fall again. Looks like we might get a storm, man. To be real quiet. Got a Simplex T-bar again. Simplex 1903, another one. See what I mean? They're really great alarms here. And another 4903 right there. I just came from the pool. Yeah, we're just by here, skedoodling by here. Yeah, after we're finished with this part, we'll go to the other part. Another 4903 ceiling mount. Cool, so yeah, that does it for the first part. Oh, and a T-bar, different Simplex T-bar. So yeah, that pretty much does it. We'll go on to the other end. That is Simplex T-bar. No fires on this part of the building. Hey look, the old Wheelock 7001T. It's still there. Whoa, it's really beat up though. First time ever encountering one in public. That's cool. Wherever. Why do I smell smoke here? No alarms right there. Gee, where's it all the alarms? We've got another 7001. Really beat up this one. I'd say it's not even functional anymore. And here we have a firelight pole station. Here is where I think it gets all rigid, the stairs. Simplex T-bar again. A Simplex 4007, I want to say. Horn. No, not finding any alarms. This is probably like the older side of the lodge or the hotel. See a Simplex 4903. It's promising. Here we are, Simplex 4903. Looks brand spanking new, this one. Wow. A firelight pole station. Yep, a firelight pole station. Careful, careful. Don't want to fall down these stairs again, Mr. Curry. Hey, T-bar. Simplex T-bar. Another Wheelock 7001. You can hear the elevator in the background. It's all squishy, this carpet. Yeah, there's probably not going to be much alarms on the side. Sorry. Nope. I think there's an alarm up here. Another Wheelock. That's really weathered. Another Wheelock 7001. That's really damaged. Fire alarm, Simplex, T-bar. I think I'll wait a moment for my dad to catch on up. Alright, so the last floor of the west part, I think, is this. Roof access. Firelight pull station. Simplex 4903 up there. Yeah, I'm not really gonna do much when we get to the third one, because all they have is the same variety of like T-bars and stuff, as well as true alerts. So yeah, might not do much recording there. So yeah, I think I heard someone get into the pool. They fixed the doorbell right there. Yeah, sorry. A Wheelock 7001. To wrap it all off, really, really damaged. This one's not even functional anymore, I would say. And last, but certainly not least, a firelight pull station. See you in the third part. Here's proof that they have fire alarms, the swimming pool. 4903's up top as well. And a T-bar pull station. They have like a few of them here.